So we can use the IO name control and indicators on the IO and classic IO palettes to pass DAC, channel names, visa, resource names, and IVI logical names that we configure to IOVIs to communicate with an instrument or a DAC device. We can use the IO name constants which are present on the functions palette. A constant is a terminal on the block diagram that supplies fixed data values to the block diagram. All IO name controls or constants are available on all platforms, which allows us to develop IOVIs on any platform that can communicate with devices that are platform specific. However, if we try to run a VI with a platform specific IO control on a platform that does not support that device, we receive an error. We can use the measurement and automation explorer available from the tools menu to configure DAC channel names, visa resource names, and IVI logical names. The IMAC session control is a unique identifier that represents the connections to the hardware.